Alright, a quick one. If you want to export your drawing in PDF the right way, this is how you go about it. Now you come to plot or print. I'm making use of Autocad 2017. So click here, then it takes you to plot. Now I've already set mine, that's why I'm seeing it this way. So what I'm going to do is, let me take it to the default, how it's supposed to be. Then here, let me cancel this. In your own case, it would have been like this before you start printing. So what you do first is, you come here, you select printer or plotter. Now look for Microsoft print to PDF. That's what I'll select. Then you can select paper size, maybe A4 or A3, either way it's fine. Now come here and select window. And when you select window, select this window here and pick whichever one you want to print. Select this side, pick it from this side. You just click, you're not dragging, you just move your mouse to the alternate point, then click. Now the next thing is, if you look at this drawing here, this is how it's going to look like. A lot of you don't pay attention to this side. Your drawing will be shifted up. There's a lot of wide margin down. So what you do is, you select fit to paper. Now if you select fit to paper, you're still having margin here. Then select center the plot. So once you do that, your drawing will be centralized. The next thing is how apply, then preview and see what we have. So folks, this is how to save your drawing in PDF the correct way. If not, if you're trying to, some people will select everything, then you now have all your drawing jam packed inside one paper. Then I'll click on plot. Now once you do that, give it a name. I'll call it class WW, then save it. You can see the save file type as, then I'll save. Then once that is done, you repeat the same thing for every drawing you have, and make sure you've already arranged your drawing in your drawing in your title block. So you do the same thing for each and every one of them. That's the way you can save your drawing in PDF and send it to your client or your colleague, as the case may be. Alright folks, don't forget to like this video, share your comments, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is King James, Sweb Studios. I'll see you next time.